The top 5 best heat press machine recommendation. Let's get started. Recommendation number 1. PowerPress Industrial Quality Digital Sublimation Heat Press Machine. This product, whose long name is the PowerPress Industrial Quality Digital 15 by 15 inch sublimation heat press, checks almost all the boxes for most heat press purveyors. It comes with a thick aluminum plate, allowing for effective distribution of heat. Among new features of the PowerPress heat press machine are a thick Teflon coating over the heat plates, which assists in damage prevention on your workpieces. While this version has a far smaller footprint, it still packs a punch while practicing better energy efficiency for heat presses for home use. With its powerful features, compact design, and energy efficiency, we would be hard-pressed, get it? Recommendation number 2. CRICUT Easy Press 2 Heat Press Machine. For starters, compared to standard heat presses, the CRICUT Easy Press 2 heats up in 2 to 3 minutes versus 10 to 15. Additionally, the potential for burns or other injuries is significantly lessened with the far more hands-off approach that CRICUT's offering provides. Also, the Easy Press 2 is much lighter, more portable, has less of a power draw, and has a far smaller footprint than all the alternatives we are going over in this guide. The types of heat transfers you can press with it include regular HTV, flocked vinyl, glitter vinyl, metallic, products like Easy Weed Foil, rhinestone transfers, and more. This is a wonderful option for those just starting. Recommendation number 3. FANCIERSTUDIO Power Heat Press Digital Heat Press. The upward style standard clamshell design of the FANCIERSTUDIO Power Heat Press makes it perfect for smaller spaces and home use. While the 15 by 15 inch heat plate is on the smaller size compared to larger alternatives, it is still plenty large enough for a vast number of print designs on flat surfaces. Additionally, this product only uses 110 volts of electricity, meaning it can be plugged into a standard home outlet without worrying about short-circuiting or power overloading other electronics. Overall, we were quite impressed by the FANCIERSTUDIO Power Heat Press. With its standard feature set, silicone catch, and user-friendly hands-off functionality, this is a beautiful sublimation heat press for those just starting. Recommendation number 4. Digital Transfer Sublimation Heat Press Machine. F2C Pro Heat Press. If you are on the hunt for the next level of heat press, where you can transcend past a beginner level machine, the F2C Pro Heat Press is a wonderful option that will get you to that point. This 6-in-1 heat press utilizes standard and sublimation pressing to work on a wide variety of materials, from shirts to bags, plates to coasters, mouse pads to mugs and beyond. Overall, we were impressed by the heavy-duty steel construction of the F2C Pro Heat Press. While we were discouraged by a few things, the feature-rich machine and 6-in-1 options made it an overall winner in our book, and substantial value for the price point. Recommendation number 5. ZENY Upgraded Professional Digital T-Shirt Heat Press Machine. The ZENY Digital Heat Press boasts many interesting features. In addition to a 2-in-1 digital controller and a swing-away design, this option has all attachments needed to work on many different types of designs and materials. ZENY has provided an impressive standard heat press that works well for both beginners and intermediate users. Its massive feature sets and solid reliability ensures that there are plenty of options for attachments and customizations for all users. We highly recommend this option for those on a budget, but wanting to get the best bang for your buck press.